Welcome to Crafty Errands. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple PVC shelf that you can use as a bookshelf, as a storage shelf, or as a shoe rack in your house. Very simple. In terms of materials, you just need PVC pipe, locally available from our local hardware shop. You just go there, tell them PVC pipe you want to, the size you want. I'm going to show you. And the tools, they're very basic tools. In fact, you need a hacksaw just to cut. You need a mallet, or a mallet. It can be a hammer or something to knock a piece of wood. You need a tape measure. This is very basic. If you want to do a lot of stuff at home, you must have a tape measure. You might need a spray paint if you want to change the color. That's upon to you. That's upon you. It's you to decide. But for this, for the materials, you can check the link below, which we have already put the material list and the sizes, so you can print it out and basically use it to purchase the materials. For this project, we're going to use a 1 1/4 PVC pipe, and this is the smallest in the market. You can use electric conduit if you want to, but I prefer this. It's much more stronger and durable. We will need bends. These are 1 1/4 bends. You will need tees, 1 1/4 tees, and you will need top plug or end plug. This one you put at the leg below, and you see the goodness with this, you can adjust the height. If it's not level, you can adjust the level so that you can have your shelf well leveled. So quickly, just to recap on the materials checklist. Number 1, you need 8 pieces of 100 millimeters long of 1 1/4 pipe. Those are 8 pieces. Number 2, you need 4 pieces of 300 millimeters long, 250 millimeters long, 4 pieces. Number 3, you need 8 pieces of 150 millimeters long. Those are 8 pieces. Number 4, you need 2 pieces of the top part where you hold it comes to the top. You need 2 pieces of 240 millimeters long. Those are 2 pieces. And then you need 32 tees of 1 1/4 inch. These are 32 pieces. You need 4 pieces of 1 1/4 inch bends, 4 pieces, and you need 4 pieces of end plugs. These are the ones you put at the bottom and try to adjust depending on how the floor is level, and those so that it can rest comfortably on a flat floor. Before this, I've assembled this one side of the. So I'm going to show you how to assemble the other side, which is basically the same size as this, and then we can see how to assemble everything and have our project completed. So let's get going. Now, for a start, we start with the bottom. These are 100 pieces which have leveled here number 1. These are the bottom pieces which have leveled number 1 for ease of distance and for both confusion. Now for this, we take this and we assemble with the key. This is the other side, similar to this one, which I had previously done. So we have the 2 sides of our shelf. Quite simple, very fast, and very strong and durable. So next, I'm going to show you how we put in the shelves. It's quite the same process. We just fix in the shelves, and then we are done with our shelf.
Voila, we have our shelf. The shoe rack, the simple shoe rack, you can use at your home, you can use anywhere. Yeah. Quite simple.
You can decide to spray your pipes whichever color you want, or you can decide to leave them the way they are, gray. But for this project, we decided to go black. So I chose to dismantle the pieces and spray them independently, and then from there I'm going to assemble again. It's so much easy. This is a spray paint you buy in a local hardware shop, and you just spray black like that, slowly and slowly. Make sure your spray is even, don't overdo it, just simple and simple. Make sure you cover all the surfaces, evenly, just slowly and slowly. Spray all the surfaces evenly. This is quite an optional step. You can decide to spray, and you can also decide to use a different color. It doesn't have to be black like mine. Thank you for watching. This is a very simple project. You can do it at home. Right now, especially that we are all at home with our families, you can do it as a family project. And very many projects are coming, very interesting projects. Next week we'll do a very interesting project. Please keep it here, subscribe and hit the like button. Please stay at home, wash your hands, and let's say keep COVID-19 away.